Ask Tom on Home Show.
Anthony from Spring has a leaky connection.
Yeah, it's the connection. It's the main connection for water coming into his house, Tom. Anthony writes, it's broken for the second time in 5 years. I think it's because my foundation is constantly shifting at this point of the house more than the rest. The main line is steel, and I think that the house is something like PVC, he says. The fitting is PVC at one end with steel female threads for the city line. Can I replace a portion of this line at the connection with a flexible line or PEX or something to move with the foundation as it moves so I can get the foundation fixed?
Yeah, as far as PEX would be fine. You could just have a little loop of PEX. I would just take it and loop it. And that way, if it moves, it'll just move with the loop. You can't bury it in the ground. If you do, it's going to kind of hold it tight. I think that probably would still work anyway. But yeah, you could go ahead and do PEX. Your house has to be moving a lot if it's breaking pipe connections. So I would have someone really take a good look at this to make sure that's what is going on. But can you combine PEX with all these different materials? The answer is yes.
All right. You got a question? We'll help you out just like that. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button, fill out that form, and we'll answer your question in a jiffy. In fact, we'll probably answer it the next day because we post one of these every day.
There it goes again.
At HomeShowRadio.com.
What the hell is going on?